Are you cruising to Grand Cayman and wondering how to spend your day? From swimming with stingrays to relaxing on some of the world's most beautiful beaches, this island has something for everyone. Let's dive into the top things to do in Grand Cayman. Let's sail away! Hi, I'm Dr. D. Welcome back to Cruise Simply, where we help you discover the world one cruise at a time. Now let's explore the best things to do in Grand Cayman. Welcome to Grand Cayman. This island is famous for its breathtaking beaches, turquoise waters, and unforgettable wildlife encounters. Let's dive into what makes this Caribbean gem so special. Grand Cayman is the largest of the 3 Cayman Islands and is known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and world-famous Stingray City. This Caribbean paradise is a top-rated cruise destination offering a mix of adventure and relaxation. Unlike some cruise ports, where you rush from one attraction to the next, Grand Cayman offers a slower, more relaxed vibe. Whether you're into snorkeling, exploring local culture, or just lounging on a postcard-perfect beach, you'll find something to love here. Before we explore the island's top attractions, let's take a quick look at Grand Cayman's rich history. From its discovery by explorers to its transformation into a world-class cruise destination, this island has a fascinating story to tell. Beyond its beaches and attractions, Grand Cayman has a rich history and culture influenced by British, Jamaican, and local Cayman traditions. Originally settled by sailors and shipwreck explorers, island became a British overseas territory and developed a strong seafaring heritage. The island is also known for its friendly locals, traditional music, and vibrant festivals like Pirates Week, where the history of the island's pirate past comes to life. The Cayman Islands are also a major financial hub, making them a unique blend of Caribbean charm and modern influence. Now, let's talk about the must-see attractions. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, these top spots will make your Grand Cayman visit one to remember. So, what are the top things to do in Grand Cayman? Here are some of the absolute must-visit attractions every cruiser should experience. We begin with Stingray City. Imagine standing in waist-deep water while friendly stingrays glide around you. This is one of the most wildlife encounters in the world. The stingrays are gentle, and guides will even help you feed them. Next, there is 7 Mile Beach. This is not just any beach, it's one of the best beaches in the Caribbean. Soft white sand, turquoise waters, and plenty of bars and restaurants nearby make it perfect for a beach day. And finally, Cayman Turtle Center. If you love sea turtles, this is the place to go. You can see them up close, learn about conservation efforts, and even swim with them in a special lagoon. No cruise stop is complete without trying the local flavors. From fresh seafood to the island's signature dessert, here's what you absolutely have to try while in Grand Cayman. Grand Cayman's food scene is full of fresh seafood, Caribbean flavors, and unique local delicacies. If you're a foodie, you're in for a treat. Start with Cayman-style fish, a fresh catch marinated in island spices and grilled to perfection. If you love fried seafood, conch fritters are a must-try. Crispy golden and packed with flavor. And for dessert, rum cake. This island staple is moist, sweet, and infused with local rum. You'll find it everywhere, but the most famous spot is the Tortuga Rum Cake Factory. Before you step off the ship, here are some insider travel tips to make the most of your port day in Grand Cayman smooth, stress-free, and packed with fun. A few things you should know before arriving in Grand Cayman. First, there's no cruise pier. Ships anchor offshore and you'll take a tender boat to reach land. It's a smooth ride, but adds some extra time, so plan accordingly. Also, while many places accept credit cards, it is always good to carry cash for small vendors or taxis. And lastly, if you plan to visit Stingray City or 7 Mile Beach, get there early before the big crowds arrive. Short on time? Don't worry. Here's the perfect itinerary to help you experience the best of Grand Cayman in just one day as we dive into perfect port day plan, how to maximize your time. If you only have one day in Grand Cayman, here's a perfect itinerary to make the most of it. In the morning, start with an early trip to Stingray City before the crowds. At midday, head over to 7 Mile Beach for some sun and relaxation. And by the afternoon, grab a bite to eat, try some local seafood, and finish the day shopping for souvenirs. We've covered some amazing must-do experiences in Grand Cayman. Now, let's do a quick recap before you start planning your perfect port day. Grand Cayman is a true gem of the Caribbean, offering a perfect mix of adventure, relaxation, and incredible local flavors. From the unforgettable experience at Stingray City to the pristine shores of 7 Mile Beach and the delicious flavors of Cayman cuisine, this island has something for everyone. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a taste of island life, your cruise stop in Grand Cayman is sure to be a highlight. What are you most excited about to do in Grand Cayman? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for choosing Cruise Simply. I appreciate you being part of this amazing cruising community. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stress-free cruising tips and destination guides. So, from me to you, have a great cruising day. Until next time, thank you.